Hi, Professor. Good morning. My name is Ashmit Kaur from Group 8. We are five members. We as a team are going to talk about the automatic blood pressure monitor. Blood pressure monitor is a device which is used by the hypertensive patients and for the irregular heartbeats. The device which we use is of brand Omron. Firstly, it is a new automatic blood pressure monitor that uses the oscillometric methods of blood pressure measurement, which means it detects your blood movements through your brachial artery and converts it into a digital reading. The monitor does not need a stethoscope, which is simple to use and known for offering more accuracy. Now I am going to pass on to my classmate Donna Shine. She will talk about the purpose of blood pressure apparatus. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashmit Kaur. I would like to talk about the purpose. Basically, this tool helps the doctors to prevent the risk of heart problems. If there is any family history of heart disease, high or low BP, obesity, and frequent headaches. Firstly, we should keep it in mind. It's not only a tool which indicates the person will or won't have heart disease, it also helps the doctor in the management of the patient's care. Secondly, I will talk about the monitoring of blood pressure usage at home. It helps you and your doctor make a right decision about your treatment, such as suggesting dosage or change in medications, and it encourages better control. Thirdly, measuring the patient's blood pressure has become a routine and essential part of most of the doctor's visits. It is done to check on the vital signs, as there are many medical problems which are associated with prehypertension, hypertension, and hypotension. It to be on a safer side, BP should be checked at least once in 2 years. Finally, I believe that self-monitoring can give you a stronger sense of responsibility for your health. Now I would like to pass on to my colleague Simran for the key features. Thank you.
Thank you, Donna. I'm going to talk about the key features of this device. The main key feature of this device is that it can be used by anyone, professional or a layman. Because of this device, we don't need to visit the doctor every time to check our blood pressure. These home blood pressure monitors are extremely user friendly. Apart from this, we can maintain a daily log of our BP readings in a convenient way. Apart from this, as it is a automatic blood pressure monitor, it gives accurate readings. It is easy to use and can get results in just a one touch. In addition, Omron device also monitor irregular heartbeats detection. Its measurement rates varies from 0 to 299 mm mercury, and the pulse rate ranges from 40 to 180 beats per minute. It has high storage capacity. In last, I would like to say that it can be accommodated by multiple users with a app. Now I'm going to pass the rest of discussion to Parminder. He will talk about how to use this monitor. Thank you.
Thank you, Simran. Now I am to describe how to use this BP apparatus. Firstly, we should sit on the chair with our feet flat on the floor and take a BP apparatus. Press the start button. All display symbols should appear briefly, followed by a 0. This indicates that the monitor is ready. Before wrapping the cuff on your arm, make sure that it is assembled properly. If not, pass the end of the cuff through the metal D-ring and form a loop in such a way that the smooth side is on the inside and the rough material is on the outside of the cuff. After a 5-minute rest, put your arm through the cuff loop, wrap it around the center of your upper arm. Ensure that the cuff is not too tight on your arm. Ideally, you should be able to insert your index finger between the cuff and your arm without any difficulty. Place your arm on a flat table with your palm facing upward, and make sure that the cuff is positioned at the same height as your heart. Be still and relax throughout the testing so that you could get accurate blood pressure reading. Pressure reading will be displayed on the screen. Wait for a long beep. This means that the measurement is complete. Note the pressure on the display screen. Systolic pressure appears on the upper side and diastolic pressure appears between the systolic pressure and pulse rate. Your pulse rate may also be displayed on the lower side on the display. Now I will pass on to my colleague Divya to tell further information.
I would talk about how to keep your digital pressure monitor in the best condition and protect the unit from damage. The first step is to keep the monitor in a storage case when not in use. Make sure the AC adapter is placed under the main unit so it does not damage the display. Avoid sharply bending the AC adapter cord. You should not apply force in bending the arm cuff or air tube, and also make sure you don't fold it tightly. After using this device, use a clean monitor with a soft dry cloth. In case you are not using this device for 3 months or above, make sure to remove the batteries and replace all the batteries with a new one. Lastly, do not drop the device or any other components in the water. For further information, you can refer the instruction panel. Thank you.